but what is amazing is as I look at these emails and I talk to lawyers, is how little they know and understand. I mean, they are lawyers, they're practicing, they're trying to do a good job for their client, who are like lambs to the slaughter in talking to somebody like this and not having any way to filter or to ask questions or to examine. In that one big case, they built out 51,000 so-called unique non-reciprocal inbound links to your website. That was, everybody knew that was crazy. But for the lawyer to not even be aware of the whole world of Penguin and Panda, and this couldn't be a great idea, is sad. The lawyer asked, they had a blog writing thing. They were paying $2,000 a month to write 20 blogs per month. But the lawyer could only find 63. So the response was from the marketer, during the course of our agreement, we utilized 3 different copywriters. So we don't have a complete list of all the blog we wrote for you. I don't have an exact count of what you were getting for $2,000 a month. I know we wrote blogs for your site, though, so just kind of trust me on that. That's what a big part of what great legal marketing is trying to prevent. Do not underestimate the difficulty of the task. As I said, this is difficult. It's becoming increasingly difficult. But you can do it if you understand a system for thinking about these issues. What can we really do for you today, particularly if you're here and you're hearing me live for the first time? And I know we've got some members here. We've got some folks who've been hanging around, may have been to one of our big 2-day events each time. I want to change your shift on how you think about marketing so that you can have the correct filter on when you get an idea that you read about or someone pitches an ideas. We're going to give you ideas that you can immediately work on tonight or tomorrow on the plane or Memorial Day Monday if you want. Things that will take what you're already doing and you're already spending money on or is already out there for free and turn it into ways to help make you a celebrity in your own niche, help you get more ROI out of each dollar. And we can build a system for moving over time. And we provide the place where solo and small firm attorneys with ambition gather. And I underline those words, with ambition, because a lot of lawyers will come to us and they'll profess that they understand what we're talking about. They'll profess that they're not looking for the purple pill. They will then hear one idea or 2 ideas, not think about the system for implementing those ideas or whether they're good for them at this point, and use them and say that didn't work, or they're unwilling to do the work necessary, because the deep, dark objective reality fact is that, like anything else good in life, this does take some work. What we've been able to do in Bengals law practice, and particularly using one of our partners, Infusionsoft, who's here and you'll hear from later on today, is to put a lot of what we teach on autopilot, okay? And in hiring smart folks like Colin and Charlie, that take a lot of my ideas and put them on autopilot. So whereas I built this up minute, by hundreds of minutes, a lot of money invested in going around the country to learn this stuff, we've now built out a way that you, I think, can take these ideas, take them back to your practice, and run them through a system. And over time, develop a great system for improving your marketing. And at the end of the day, the subtitle of my book, Great Legal Marketing, How Smart Lawyers Think, Behave, and Market to Get More Clients, Make More Money, and Still Get Home in Time for Dinner. I want you to be in the business of being a hero to your family, first of all. I mean, you saw mine, their big old group. So many lawyers, sadly, I talked to, and Charlie, you can come on up to get set for the next one. They're just not there for their families. They're, the kid's 18 and you didn't get to any of the Little League games. That's sad. That's not why you went to law school. And become an icon of your community. I mean, how cool would it be with lawyers kind of ranking not really high on the scale of folks to look up to in the community? How cool would it be if you were recognized as the legal authority, someone to go to with all of the problems, because Dave Freeze, even if I don't have a probate and estate planning issue, Dave, I trust you as an icon in the community to lead me off in the right direction. That is a very, very cool place to be. All right, so we're going to start now with how we start to fix these problems.